Hello, Tom from everystepcalculus.com, everystepphysics.com. I'm going to do a Green's theorem regarding an ellipse in the problem. All a waste of time in calculus and for us, but we have to do it to pass our classes and pass our tests. Keep the professors happy and in business. Index 8 to get to my menu. I'm going to scroll down to Green's theorem. You can use second and to go down screen by screen. Either way is fine. Green's theorem. And we're going to add the x or the I function. This one is given as you have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha minus y and alpha x. These are all pathetic setup problems. They don't happen in real life. Some mathematician puts this together and finds the functions and see if it works. And it's like Sudoku. It's like doing a crossword puzzles. You know, fun if you're into that, but waste of time in general. And of course, it'll never help you in your life, even if you work at NASA Space Center. So anyways, I say that's okay. I'll give you a chance to change it in case it's not right. Say it's okay. There's a PQ system and the MN system. I use the MN system. And the partials of n with a partial of y equals minus 1, and partial of n partial of x is 1. And you subtract the m from the n, you get 2. Wow, that's amazing, huh? And then we're going to choose number 7, an ellipse, because that's what you can scroll to it like this, or you can just press the number if there's a number or letter before it. And I do the computations for it. Of course, you always bring the constant out of an integral. Here it is here, and multiply it. So that equals 1 dA. Is the equation given? Yes, there is an equation given. So what's the equation? Well, I'm going to enter it. Alpha x squared divided by 16 plus y squared divided by 9 equals 81. Again, I show you, so you can change it if you want. See, x squared divided by 16, y squared divided by 9, 81, that's cool. I'm going to say OK. We divide by 81 to get to the standard form of the ellipse equation, which is this right here. And of course, the formula is this, and 36 squared is here, and 27 squared. Now we got to change the parameters. Oh yeah, got to do that. And the parameters are x equals a cosine of t, 36 cosine of t, and then the derivative of that is minus 36 sine of t. Same thing for y. And the area is this for an ellipse. We're going to substitute the parameters, minus 27, and then the dx, or dy, and here's the other dx and dy. We multiply them together, come up with that. We add them together to come up with the, and of course once you factor out the 972 here, we get an identity of 1. Trigonometry identity. And so over 2 pi over 0, we work it out at dt now with respect to t. And it equals that, and at t it equals 2 pi, 972 pi. 0 is 0, upper minus lower, 972 minus, and the answer is area equals 972 pi. Pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Try this without my program, see how you do. Buy my programs if you want to pass calculus or physics, make it a lot easier. Remember, they're cheating you by making you take these classes. Not physics so much, but calculus for sure. Should not be taken other than a math major. We shouldn't even be exposed to it at all. Outside of maybe in high school learning about the derivative or integral, just doing a couple simple derivatives or integrals and find out what kind of it's like and who invented it, etc. We should know something about calculus, but not to the extent of 3 semesters or 2 semesters or whatever. Certainly not in business. But anyways, have a good one.